In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to amend your tax return in TurboTax. If you filed your return and later realized you forgot a form, missed a deduction, or received a corrected statement, don't worry, an amendment using TurboTax can fix it. Start by signing into your TurboTax account. Once you're in, head to your tax home. Before you do anything else, make sure you're viewing the correct tax year. TurboTax often defaults to the current year, but amendments must be done in the year you originally filed. Use the year selector to switch if needed. This is important because an amendment is year-specific and the steps won't work properly if you're in the wrong year. With the right year selected, look for the option that says Amend, Change Your Return, or Change My Return. You'll typically find it within the Return Manager or on the year's summary page. Click it to launch TurboTax's guided amendment process. If your original return hasn't been filed yet, you don't need an amendment, just edit the return directly. But if it's already been filed and accepted, the amend flow is the right path. TurboTax will now walk you through entering the changes. You'll be asked what changed and where it belongs. Things like an updated U-2, a late 1099, or a corrected deduction. Enter only the new or corrected information. The software retains your original data and calculates the differences for you. Take your time here, review each screen, confirm amounts against your documents, and watch for any follow-up questions the program presents. TurboTax will show how your refund or balance due changes as it prepares Form 1040-X behind the scenes. When everything looks good, you'll move to finalize. TurboTax will generate Form 1040-X for that tax year. Print the form, sign it with an ink signature, and attach any supporting documents relevant to the change, such as corrected forms or revised schedules. Then mail the signed 1042-X and attachments to the IRS address listed in the form's instructions for your location. For most amended federal returns, e-filing isn't available, so mailing is required. A few tips as you send it off: use a trackable mailing method and keep copies of everything you submit. Processing can take several weeks, so check your status using the IRS's amended return tracking tool. If the amendment results in tax due, follow the payment instructions included with the form or pay online. If it results in a refund, wait for the IRS to process the amendment before taking further action. And if your state return was affected, check your state's amendment process separately. That's it, your TurboTax amendment is underway.